Hello and welcome to taik18. I am Mohammad Adnan. In this video, we are going to discuss about the standard columns in powerquery. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed it, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. It is there since the beginning, but I have not used this one because I thought it's a regular standard one, but the usage of this one, it depends on us how we are going to use that. So I'm going to show you some helpful informations we can achieve using these standard columns. So I'm into powerquery here and I just imported an Excel file which contains the student information about the student name and the subject and the marks of the student. And now if you want to make the percentage of this student, how much mark they have achieved, then you can just go to add columns on the top here, and the standard one, if you click here and if you click on percentage of this, and here it will open up a new window, pop-up window, which says enter a percentage to apply to each value in the column. If I put it to be 100 and if I click on OK, this is going to give the same result. It doesn't make any sense for you, right? Yeah, actually it is, but let me give you another example. So let me create quickly one small thing here, which I'm going to add enter data, and then I'm going to add this student here, same example, and then total marks, what they have taken, and that's it, right? So what are the marks they have taken here? So this is student A, student B, student C, and the marks which I have taken here. Okay, this is student marks. Alright, so we are now in the student marks table, and this contains the student information. I mean the summary of this student, which is student A got how much marks and B and C. So if you want to take the percentage of this, how much they have actually got, so you can just go to add columns and click on the standard columns, and then you can click on divide here, and if the total marks is 500 for an example, and click on OK, and it will create a new column for you, and also it will give you the percentage for you. You can also do this by creating a custom column. I agree on that, but this is a quick way which you can do that. So not only that, it has multiple things also. Like for an example, let's say you have one more thing. So let's create one more example, which is I'm going to create add here, enter data here, and this is item sales, and I'm going to create product and then rate here, and then quantity. Item A, item B, and item C, and the rate is something like this, and the quantity what they have sold here is this one. Alright, and if you click OK here, we are now in the sales table here. And if you want to do something calculation, right, if I click on rate column and quantity here, and if I go to add columns and standard here, and then click on multiply, this does the job. With just a click of a few buttons, we can able to create a new column, and then we do all these kind of stuffs here. Again, I agree this can be also done in multiple ways, but this is a quick way you can do that. So not only that, if you are aware of these kind of things like add, multiply, subtract is, we are fine with that, and divide is also fine, and if you are aware of the modulo and then scientific thing, and if you are aware of the scientific and everything, which you can also use by using these things here. So these are the quick ways which you can create standard columns in powerquery. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.